Welcome to our kitchen. In today's video,
we're making yuca fries.
I'm Marlene.
My name is Carmen.
Yes, you can say that. And we're making yuca fries today. I have my wonderful daughter here helping me make yuca fries. Let's get to it. So when handling yuca, be very careful when peeling it. The outer layer, it has a woody texture and it has a nutty flavor. So just take your knife, peel it along the side. Just be very careful. In Haiti, this is called manioc.
Next, you're going to cut it in half and lengthwise.
Be sure to remove the middle core.
Transfer it to a big bowl of water. Give it a quick rinse before frying.
So after you rinse your yuca, just be sure that your oil is heated at 350 degrees. Allow your fries to cook for about 6 to 7 minutes until golden brown. So as the fries cook, just give it a quick stir so that way it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Make sure to drain it and place it in a paper towel bowl or plate. So after the time is up, just slowly and gently remove it from the oil.
Lightly season it with salt. Now it's time to taste.
Thank you for watching. So make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. See ya.
Yes.